Good morning again. Okay, I am doing the Mintay challenge where you do a card a week, and our theme this time is circle. So anything in a circle shape, and well, mine's kind of a circle, but I cut the edge off of this because I want my card to open as a circle too. So I'm using the Happy Birthday because I can use this month, and because I need a birthday card for my daughter that I didn't get to her last month. So I thought I would do this. And so I'm using the paper that looks like it's tufted and has diamonds instead of buttons, which is gorgeous. Now if I can just line it up. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, it's a little off. I might have to trim it. Okay, so it'll open like this, or I could open it like this, I guess. Decisions. I want it to open like this. Maybe I'll open it like that. Okay, I gotta stay concentrated on that shape though. Okay, so I've cut out some of the, let's see, these are mostly from the little 6x8. Okay, and so I am using a bottle of champagne. Let's see, is Danny, did she just turn 50?
Yes.
Okay, she just turned 50, so she can have champagne now. Okay, so I've got this big bottle of perfume, which I just think is so pretty. I mean, it's like I just put it right in the middle and call it a day. So I was just saying I could put that in the middle and just call it a day, because look at how pretty that is already. Just gorgeous. Okay. But I'm going to put it over here and stack some things on it. And this is going to be, the perfume bottle is going to be so big compared to everything else. But you know, don't they have a Chanel No. 5 that's like a gigantic bottle? I think there is one. Okay, I think that's probably about where I want it. Well, maybe up a little higher, because I got a lot of things I'm putting on here. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. I'm also gonna put the mirror ball or disco ball on here. And it's got too much white on it, so I'm gonna see if I can, I think I actually punched it out, because if I have a punch that's close to a circular shape, I usually try to use it, but it looks like a little too much white for me, since it's not really anyplace else. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck that in here. Wouldn't it be amazing to see a sofa with tufting and diamonds in it? I mean, it's like that would be just stunning. Okay, I'm gonna, is that far enough? I think it is. Okay, just thinking all the things I'm putting on here. And then I have another disco ball, or mirror ball, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna put that right along with it. About like that, I think. I'm making my cheat sheet a little bigger. Okay, and then I have, let's see, I have another mirror ball that I want to put just behind the perfume bottle. So I think I'm going to put that there first. And again, I got too much white on here, so I'm going to try to trim it off. Okay. And I'm tucking this right behind the perfume, and it's going to be behind. Let's see, what kind of angle do I want that at? I think like that. Okay. Because I'm trying to get in, you know, circular shapes, but still stay with my design. And I love the mirror balls. I think they're so cute. Or disco balls. Couldn't remember what they were called yesterday because I kept thinking, I know they were called something before they were called disco balls because they've been around for years. But that's all I could think of later on. I couldn't even think of that before. Okay, I'm thinking this has to be down about here. Okay, I think that will work. And then I'm putting this shoe right in front of it. And I put it up on dimensionals, but that stiletto heel is not gonna be easy to put a dimensional behind, so I'm gonna skip that. Okay. Okay, so you can still see that little ball there. In fact, I kind of like it out a little bit. Can I do that, or is it too glued down? I think it's too glued down. I was going to pull it out a little more. Okay, so we're like that. And then I have the birthday presents. And I think that was supposed to be behind this. Let's see, can I tuck it in a little? Gotta have it down far enough. That's probably good about there. Let's see. Maybe that's better. I gotta still make it look like it's perspective, because you know how it's like the box has to be right to look like it's perspective. Okay, and then I have my little champagne glass. And I'm gonna stick that right there. Okay, and then I'm putting best wishes on your birthday. Well, that's what I want to put, but now I'm wondering if that's going to be too big, or maybe I want it down here. This is off the all occasions sheet. Put it there. Let's see, if I put it there, I'd have to cut more. Let me see if I can just, maybe I could just put on your birthday. I don't know if this doesn't seem fancy enough for my card. The card seems so fancy. I like it there all right. But not that. Maybe I'll just put it on the inside. That's a question, you notice that? Okay, let's see. I have, oh, I've got a 1-inch punch, and I'm gonna just punch out one of these tufts with the diamond in it. And I'm shooting for the center. Okay. So I want to do that. And that. So I could put like that, best wishes on your birthday. Let's see, what if I also have a piece of this? Okay, I like that. And I want this angled this way. Don't let me forget and put it on the wrong way. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in that direction. Okay, I'm going to turn it just a little bit more. Whoops. A little bit of the glue is there. I thought I better look because I pulled it in a little bit and sometimes I forget where it's at. Okay. And I'm going to put best wishes on your birthday in here because I like that better. I think about right there. I'm trying to make it, you know, level from there. Okay. I think I'm just going to put it right over top of it like that, and then put the little gift right up next to on your birthday. You know, usually I forget to make people cards until it's their birthday, and then it's like usually I don't have time to do it. So this will be the first time I have cards for everybody. Even though I didn't get to see my daughter on her birthday, so this way I'll have one. Otherwise, I was going to use one of those other ones I had left over, but I think this would be so her. I love it. Okay, oh, here's what else I was going to add. I have these little gems, so I thought since we have these big diamonds, it would be nice to have these other ones on here. And I see some of them are like that Aurora Borealis. And then I have some that look more like the ones that are on the tufting. So I'm going to use those. I can pick it up, I can. I think I'm going to put a couple by the shoe. Let's see, maybe one down here. Oh, I think that's good. I like 5. Do I need any inside? Maybe one. To put glue on that, didn't I? Okay, let's see, where do I want this? I think right there. Okay. And I think this needs just a little bit more glue because of the layers. Okay, that should hold it in. All right, so that's it. And I will have close-ups at the end. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.